Hi, welcome back to English Tube. Today we are going to learn some spoken English through a dialogue. අද අපි dialogue එකකින් spoken English ටිකක් practice කරමු dialogue එකක් එක්ක. මම යනවා mobile phone shop එකකට used phone එකක් පාවිච්චි කරපු phone එකක් ගන්න. අපි බලමු phone shop එකේදී salesman එක්ක යන dialogue එක බලමු. මෙතෙන්දී අපි අද පොඩක් බලමු අලුත් වචන phrases වාක්‍ය ඛණ්ඩ ඒ වගේම sentences වාක්‍ය මොන වගේ වචනද මොන වගේ phrases ද මොන වගේ sentences ද අපි මේ dialogue එක පාවිච්චි කරන කියලා බලමු. ඒ වගේම මම මේකට අතුලත් කරන්නම් අර emotions and feelings ඒ කියන්නේ පොඩ්ඩක් මේක realistic වෙන්න අපේ හැඟීම් ඒවත් එක්ක අතුලත් කරලා dialogue එක කරගෙන යන්න dialogue එක බලමු. This shop seems to be located in a forest. මේ shop එක කැලේකද කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ? There it is. I can see the shop. Excuse me. Good morning, sir. How may I help you? Hi. I'm looking for a used phone that records good videos for our YouTube channel. Sure, sir. We have a variety of options. For your requirements, I would highly recommend this S22, sir. Oh, I know it's a good phone, but I'm on a budget, you know. Oh, I see. So may I know your budget? Well, I'm looking for something between 40,000 to 80,000 rupees. Sure, sir. For your budget, I can recommend you two options. Actually, this one. So this is a Galaxy Note 3, a good phone with a good camera. And actually, I would highly recommend, this is my personal recommendation. So I would recommend this phone. What? This phone doesn't even have a touch screen. How on earth can this record good videos? Are you kidding me? No, sir, I'm serious. This phone comes with an external camera. Does it? Can I have a look, please? Sure, sir. So here's a camera that comes with the phone. This is a Canon camera. I've never heard a phone comes with a camera. Now you heard. Excuse me, did you say something? No, sir, sorry. So this phone actually comes with a very good camera. For your requirement to create YouTube videos, this is one of the best options, sir. Can you give me a few minutes, please? I need to figure this out. Sure, sir. A phone comes with a camera. I've never heard this. A phone comes with a camera? Is it some sort of a joke? Or am I being pranked? Excuse me? Have you decided, sir? Well, I'm decided. I would go for the iPro. Is there a warranty for that? 6 months. Okay. Is that the last price? All right, no problem. So, do you like this phone then? Yeah, that's what I told you. So this is a very good choice because you have a very good camera, external camera. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, warranty card is in the bag. If there's anything, call me, sir. The number is there. I got 6 months warranty for this. Shop එක මාසයක් තියෙද්දන්නේ. I wonder if the shop lasts for 6 months.